Oreo.
What? Tell me that again.
Josh got out of your belly first, and then me. So I was so little, and Josh was so big. That was the story Daddy told me.
Is that what Daddy told you?
When I was scared to sleep by myself.
When you were scared to sleep by yourself?
And he'd sleep with me with underwear on.
Late at night, you mean? When you didn't want to sleep by yourself?
Yes, Daddy sleeps with me.
Well, close the door. I'm still talking. Are you still scared to sleep by yourself?
A little bit.
Why?
I'm still brave.
What's that?
Why does it smell bad?
What was that?
I did it too, but it smells bad in here.
I think you did.
I didn't toot in here.
Where did you toot?
I tooted. So, answer Tuesday.